As the great Ian Malcolm put it, life finds a way. It is Tuesday. That means welcome back to Creature News. It's your boy Jungle Jordan, and I have a special episode of Creature News today because we have a few stories I'd like to cover. And today's theme is life. You may have seen some stories circulating through the internets and through the social media platforms, specifically about a bird called an albatross. This special story is amazing because it's an albatross who gave birth, it hatched some eggs. But the crazy part about the story is that this albatross is 70 years old. Wisdom is a female Laysan albatross, and she is 70 years old, and she has recently hatched another chick. This is a big deal because Wisdom is quite possibly the world's oldest wild bird, at least known to us. This species usually only lives for 12 to 40 years, but Wisdom was discovered by researchers in 1956 and believed to have hatched in 1951. So she's at least 70 years old this year. A cool fact about albatross is that they are known to mate for life, but it looks like Wisdom has found a new partner and has had multiple partners throughout her life because she's outlived her other mates. Her current partner is a male named Akia Kamai, and it is believed that they've been together since 2012. Albatross parents are really good parents, and they will share incubation duties, and once the chick hatches, they will share feeding duties. While one incubates, the other leaves, goes to find food, and then they switch. And when the egg hatches, one stays and hangs with the chick while the other goes in search of food to bring back to the chick. U.S. Fish and Wildlife believes that Wisdom has had between 30 and 36 chicks in her lifetime. Albatross are only known to hatch eggs once every few years. And it looks like Wisdom is doing just fine. She is healthy and she is ready to continue to have more chicks. And who knows how long she'll be able to live. She's healthy and doing just fine. The last story I wanted to share with you guys today is a very interesting one. Recently, there was a video surfacing of a sea slug all over social media that seemed to have been decapitated but was still moving and alive. The word of the day is autotomy. Autotomy is a voluntary shedding of a body part, which is common in some animals, such as arthropods, gastropods, starfish, amphibians, and lizards. Researchers discovered that two species of Japanese slugs can regrow their hearts and a whole new body even after removing their own heads. These slugs are called sarcoglossan sea slugs. This research and discovery could help scientists understand regeneration of human tissue. So in that video that was all over social media, we noticed the slug's head had separated from its heart and its body, and it moved on its own immediately. And it's pretty insane to look at. And the wound on the back of the head closed within days, according to those researchers. And within hours, that head started to feed on algae. And the researchers also noticed that the regeneration of the heart began within a week and was completed within 3 weeks. So it grew a new heart in 3 weeks of being separated. So one of the main researchers over there is Sayaka Mito of the Nara's Women's University in Japan. And it's unclear to her and to her team how this is possible for the sea slug. Sayaka suspects that there must be stem-like cells at the base of the neck that are capable of regenerating the body. Now, one main question that I had is why would the sea slugs have a need to do this? Maybe it's because it helps flush out any bad substances that might be in their body to help, cast that off and start anew. There could be possibly internal parasites that would inhibit reproduction. I have no idea. So a little bit of science here is that slugs incorporate chloroplasts from the algae of the food they eat, which is basically almost like photosynthesis. So they are putting the food and the chloroplasts into their cells to help promote photosynthesis. So they're basically growing almost like a plant. So there's a lot more research that needs to go into this to help better understand the process. And I am not the smart person to be able to do that. So we'll leave it to Sayaka and her team over there in Japan. Good luck to you guys. So that's it for this Tuesday Creature News. Hope you guys learned some interesting, new, fun, unique facts about life and how it always finds a way. Till next time, it's your boy Jungle Jordan. I'm out.